What's up, everybody? It's JR and the whole family. Say hello, Brittany. You're gonna be famous.
Hello.
And Peanut. And we're in beautiful downtown Cauquelin, Michigan today, wherever the hell that is. And we got ourselves a 4L80E for 150 bucks. So, what's up, everybody? It's JR. I'm back. I'm gonna re-record part of the audio for the intro you just saw. Apparently my mic was covered up or something. I don't know. I'm using a stupid little clip-on mic and it doesn't seem to be picking up very good. So let me go ahead and show you how to tell what kind of 4L80E you have. Now mine is all dirty and it looks like somebody threw it in the dirt behind the shop, which is probably exactly what the guy did. You'll hear people saying things like, you know, early 4L80, late 4L80. And the easiest way to tell that is over here on the passenger side. Okay. If this were an early 4L80, the two lines would be right next to each other. See, these are far apart. Also, this sticker will tell you, see, I cleaned it off. And that'll give you some, there's a part number down there too you probably can't see. And those things will tell you exactly what year it is, and so you know exactly what you're dealing with. I have an 04, that's what the 4MJP meant. Now another question you may have is, how do I know that I have a 4L80 at all? How do I know this is not a 4L60? The first most obvious way to tell is 4L80s have two VSS sensors. So that's number one, I mean, right there. Late 4L80s have a bolt hole right here. You see mine's broken. Somebody dropped the bell housing. So I'm not going to be able to use that bolt, but that's okay. It won't really make a difference. I can probably pull this converter out of here, and there's generally a sticker on them. I really didn't intend to get into the converter, but why not? Nope. So there's no clue on this converter as to what it may be in terms of stall speed, or because there were multiple ones. 4.3s, the Savannah vans with the 4.3 liter V6, they got a higher stall converter than the 6.0s. I think they're like 2400 RPM. You can see that mine's all full of mouse poop and dirt. So yeah, mine's been sitting around in the mud for quite a while. And there's some junkyard writing there. I don't know, probably not this week, maybe next week, maybe not. We'll see how I feel and how the budget is. I might run this down and clean it up, pull it apart enough to dual feed the direct, so you guys can see how that goes. I'm probably not going to do a lot to it. I'm definitely not going to rebuild it unless I open that pan and it seems like I need to. So yeah, that's pretty much that. Those are the ways that you can tell that you are getting what you're paying for, and whether you have an early or a late one. And it really doesn't matter. They're all good for starters. And for a second thing that just occurred to me, the whatever year they came out, I think it's 91, But up till 93, that harness right there that I'm shining the light on was different than from 94 on, and you had to do some internal solenoid changes to use the newer harness. So saying early late is kind of misleading, because there's actually early, middle, and late, and there's probably even more differences I don't know about. So I mean, for now, that's it. I'm really not working on anything today. I don't have any parts. I don't have any money. So that's pretty much it. It's probably going to be pretty slow going on the channel here for a while I let my budget recuperate and work on this and that and the other thing. But thanks for watching. As always, like, subscribe. Hope you enjoy. This is JR, and we'll see you later. You know.